everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be unboxing the Mint and Lily jewelry. I am so excited. I am partnering with them today to show you 3 jewelry of my choice. They gave me the choice to pick 3 jewelry and I am so obsessed and I feel so lucky and grateful. I really love the necklace style. Its simplicity is just beautiful. Mint and Lily jewelry is non-tarnish and made with high quality materials. The only reason I did not try this necklace on is because I was gifting it, and let me tell you, the person I gifted really loved it. And I kid you not, on the website there's so many different jewelry styles that are available. There's definitely something for everyone. Some of the pieces can be a bit pricey, but I think it's justified considering the quality. Sometimes it's good to spend on things that will last for a while. I wanted to screenshot and show you guys some of the pieces they have on the website. Look at the prices. They have a sale right now for fall, so definitely go and grab. I love on the website they also have jewelry that you can customize, like this bracelet I am wearing with this heart charms. I'm really obsessed with this. I've been wearing it every day. I put 3 names on there, including mine, my son, and my boyfriend, and everybody just loved it. It's so beautiful and simple. I just really adore it. I love all the jewelry they sent me, but I must say this right here is one of my favorites. So I got to pick 3 names that I would like to put on this bracelet. They offer fast shipping as well and free shipping on orders over 65, which may be 2 items or 1 item, which is honestly a bonus. I love that. And as we're talking about the shipping, 2 of my items came together, which came later on. But I kid you not, the first item, which is the necklace that I showed you guys at first, came in a couple days. I'm shocked. Like, that was some fast shipping. I wish I remember how many days it was, but I believe it was probably like 4 days. As I showed you guys with the first necklace, I did gift it, so I really love how the company comes with this cute box that you can just put it in a gift bag, and inside it has this protecting black thing for the jewelry, which is very good. And here is the 3rd jewelry I picked. This is with the initials of my last name, and I just love the K, how it's on the side, it's not like in the middle, so that was very unique and that's why I chose it. I also love kind of simple necklaces. I don't really like doing too much, so that's why I also picked this one. I'm excited to wear it. I did want to mention that on the website it was so easy to shop. I love how they put everything in categories, and as you guys can see, there was different prices on there. Yes, there's like super expensive ones and there are ones that are really affordable. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I've been wearing this every day, and it is enough time for me to tell you that this product is really amazing. Well, jewelry. I'm really obsessed with it, and I actually showered with it twice, the necklace, but I don't really like showering with my necklaces. But yes, so it did pass the test. I did notice that I only styled it with a black shirt so that you guys can see the jewelry more. But in the future, stick around. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be styling these necklaces with my outfits. You know, I do try on hauls and outfit ideas. You guys are going to be seeing these jewelry more and more every single time in my videos because I'm really obsessed with them. I also want to take a time and show you guys the packaging. Like, look at that. Come on. It can also be used as display. I love displaying my jewelry in beautiful boxes, so I really love that. And also because of, like, you know, gifting, as I said before. The one thing I try to make sure it's good quality is my necklaces, because I get reactions easily on my neck, rashes. I don't know why that area is so sensitive. So far, I've been wearing this necklace and all of this. I kid you not, it's literally the best, and it looks stylish. It's beautiful. I keep getting compliments. Don't forget to check out the website and click the link down below. But thank you guys for clicking on this video. I am going to see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. And thank you again to Mint and Lily. Definitely click the link down below, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.